shocking revelations about MI5, High Court calls for thorough examination. Imagine the uproar when it was discovered that MI5 had supplied misleading evidence to multiple courts. This is no small matter, as it raises crucial issues about transparency and accountability within the security service. And here's where it gets truly contentious. The High Court has emphatically called for an exhaustive, independent investigation to uncover the truth. In a recent statement, the Home Secretary acknowledged that MI5's actions amounted to a significant lapse in its duties. This admission came shortly after the High Court declared that the explanations provided by MI5 for their false evidence were fundamentally flawed and untrustworthy. The Home Secretary expressed that a further, robust and independent inquiry is essential to address the situation properly. An assembly of 3 prominent judges, including Lady Chief Justice Baroness Sue Carr, dismissed 2 official inquiries into this misleading evidence on Wednesday. The inquiries have been initiated by Cooper herself and one done internally by MI5. These assessments were triggered after the BBC revealed that MI5 had deceived 3 courts concerning a neo-Nazi agent known as Agent X, who had inflicted abuse on women. The questionable evaluations had cleared MI5 of intentional misconduct. In its ruling, the High Court mandated that an independent investigation led by Sir Brian Leveson of the Investigatory Powers Commissioner's Office, IPCO, the body supervising MI5's surveillance, should oversee this new review. IPCO itself had also been misled with false information by MI5 during the case. The Home Office has withheld comments on the role of MI5 Deputy Director General, whose testimony was found lacking in both fairness and accuracy, missing out on crucial details that were only extracted by the court. Notably, Cooper did not address the matter of a senior intelligence official in her statement. Cooper revealed her ongoing concerns about the incident, emphasizing that MI5's internal procedures needed urgent improvement. She highlighted the importance of adopting every recommendation issued concerning the case to rebuild trust and credibility. Additionally, she requested that the Attorney General, Lord Hermer, conduct an in-depth review on how evidence from MI5 should be accurately prepared and presented henceforth. Cooper also directed her team to explore the broader implications raised by the situation. This controversy erupted back in 2022, when an attempt was made to prevent the BBC from exposing the story of a neo-Nazi agent, Agent X, who misused his role to harass and abuse his former partner, known publicly as Beth. MI5 had asserted to the courts that it adhered strictly to its core confidentiality principle of neither confirming nor denying Agent X's status as a state informant. However, in February, the BBC demonstrated the falsehood with evidence, including notes and phone call recordings. When the allegations of Agent X's abuse surfaced in 2022, Cooper, then the opposition's shadow Home Secretary, had remarked during a BBC interview that the report displayed harrowing images of abuse, emphasizing that domestic violence is an atrocious act. She then insisted that the Home Secretary must ensure an independent review of the case management. In her most recent address to Parliament, she refrained from commenting on the lawsuit brought by Beth against MI5, alleging that Agent X committed acts of domestic abuse towards her. Nonetheless, she reiterated the government's stance that all organizations must uphold stringent safeguarding measures and answer every report of domestic abuse with utmost seriousness. What are your thoughts on the importance of independent oversight for institutions like MI5? Do you agree that robust policies and transparency are crucial for maintaining public trust in national security agencies? Share your perspective in the comments below.